Hi, I'm David Chrisinger, the Executive Director of the Harris Writing Workshop here at the University of Chicago. I created the Persuasive Writing Credential program because the way we communicate is changing fast, and the world needs clear, credible, human-centered writing more than ever. Today, tools like ChatGPT can help us draft and refine ideas in seconds. But technology can't replace your judgment, your sense of purpose, or your ability to reach real people who need to understand what you're saying. That's what this program is all about, learning to partner with AI in a way that strengthens your thinking, sharpens your voice, and makes your writing more persuasive. Over our 7 weeks together, you'll learn frameworks and habits that professional communicators use every day. You'll explore how to analyze an audience, clarify your purpose, and build evidence-based arguments. You'll learn how to prompt AI responsibly, revise with intention, and balance data with compelling storytelling. And you'll practice writing across genres, from policy memos and briefs to op-eds and personal narratives. Each week, you'll receive personalized feedback, time to revise, and space to experiment. By the end of the program, you'll leave with a polished portfolio of real-world writing you can use for graduate school, professional opportunities, or publication. So whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who wants to communicate with more confidence in the age of AI, I'm excited to work with you and to help you tell stories and make arguments that truly matter.